G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. We're just in the dunes in Greenough at the moment, which is just south of Geraldton. We're going to have a bit of a fall drive through the dunes and just try and find somewhere for a bit of lunch as well. What's that smell? Is that you? We just used a new set of tyre deflators as well by Storm, and that was really successful. So I'll give you a look at that as well, and then we'll give you a look around at what's going on around Greenough. Alright, we purchased these over the Christmas break. Basically got so sick when we travelled down south of constantly letting our tyres down all the time. So you just need to screw these on, and the time it takes to do usually one tyre, if you're using a rock or a stick or something like that, you can get around with all these four, and you can just leave it, go on to the next one. It's great. Supposed to be at 18 psi every time, so you take it off 18 psi. And that one's at about 15, but still, they're usually pretty accurate. I might just have twisted that one a little bit. So, it's supposed to be 18 psi on all of these. I keep on accidentally twisting the little knob, so I think that makes it change a little bit, but it's supposed to be 18, and that one is about 15, so I think I've messed them up a little bit. But that's okay, we'll just twist them back a bit.
Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her? Bit more so. Why must the curtains come down? Why must the curtains come down? Suffering now. In the end, I wish to leave something special. Let him talk. My name is on their lips. Call me mysterious. Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her? A bit more so. Why must the curtains come down? Soften now.
Today as it is around this area about 80% of the year, so not too much protection along that south stretch of beach there, so we're going to head back. Oh, Jesus. That actually reminds me too, because it's really boggy, and along this stretch I've been bogged before, and we almost did today too, but yeah, you got to be a little bit careful along here. Head back to the river and we'll cook up a bit of lunch and just chill out there for a little while.
It's not your song to sing no more, goodbye blame. Weights can't lift you up, but you can find a way to drop them. Can you feel the wind? Say you do, it's how it all begins. Then comes reason, then purpose. Well, you will find your way. In the meantime, may the sun bless you with its rays. It's how we learn. It has to hurt, it has to hurt. Every single turn. Don't beg your pardon. You're not someone's victim. It has to hurt. it has to hurt. You can ask spring how it is when the buds are bursting. You can watch the birds when they fly across the world. Weights can't lift you up, you can find a way to drop them. When the new ones weigh you down, you'll be on top of them. Oh, don't mind the falls, break down when it burns.
Okay, that's it for another episode out here at Greenough River. Pretty nice spot where we are. It is just coming out of summer, so everything's a little bit dry. The water's still not too bad. There's a little bit of algae and stuff on it, but it's not too bad here. Unfortunately though, in this spot, it is just riddled with crap. There's cigarette butts, alcohol lids, food packets, all sorts of stuff everywhere. So a little bit disappointing that people would leave this spot like that. We wouldn't mind coming back and spending an overnight out here at some stage. On the other side of the river as well, there is some little, almost like private little bays, and you could have, you know, a bit of a secluded section all to yourself. But overall, pretty good day out here at Greenough. We'll see you next time.
You can ask spring how it is when the buds are bursting. You can watch the birds when they fly across the world. Weights can't lift you up, you can find a way to drop them.